Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Widgets immediately. Press Win+W or click the Widgets icon on the taskbar. Once done, confirm Windows is up to date so settings behave predictably. You may be asked to sign into your Microsoft account. Do that now because widget controls rely on your profile. Make sure you're on the primary account and not a guest. With Widgets open and your account active, you're ready to move into removing the Discover card and adjusting widget permissions. Find the Discover or Newsfeed card inside the Widgets pane and focus on its three-dot menu in the upper right. Click that menu and choose Remove to drop the card from view. This immediately clears that content. If you want to stop similar items, open Widget Settings, then Manage Interests to control topics and sources. You can also disable personalized content or unlink a Microsoft account here. Once removed, Widgets keeps your layout without that Discover card unless you re-enable. To finish, close Widgets and verify the removal by reopening it. If Discover reappears, restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager to refresh the UI. Make sure the Widgets toggle in taskbar settings reflects your choice. Turning it off hides the panel entirely. If the card persists, clear widget cache or sign out and sign back into your Microsoft account to force a sync. One troubleshooting tip. If changes don't stick, create a system restore point, then reset widget data so you can revert if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.